Good morning. In the previous video, we had completed the chapter 8 organic chemistry. Today, we will discuss the board questions. But before starting the board question, that if you studied the UPSC nomenclature, means the structure will be given to you. You have to write the IPC name. But if you go to the board paper, they have already given the IPC name and they are asking the structure. It means from the IPC name, how to draw the structure. This is the topic. So first I will complete this one, then we will discuss the board questions. So if the IPC name is given, how we can draw a structure? Certain rules are there that we can note on a copy. First of all, draw a carbon chain based on root word. Draw a carbon chain based on root word. Based on root word. So just to see your IPC name, what root word is given, like meth, pro, but. So just to see the root word, if root word but is given, then draw a chain of 4 carbonate. Then second point, do the numbering of carbon chain from any end. Do the numbering of carbon chain from any end. If you remember, when I have given writing the IPC name, at that time I told you start the numbering from that end which is near to the functional group, double bond, triple bond or substituent. But here no problem. Just to draw a carbon chain, then you can do the numbering from any side, no restriction is there. Then third point, fill up functional group double bond, triple bond and substituents. Fill up functional group, double bond, triple bond and substituent. Just to see on which position functional group is present, on that position you can put the functional group. Just to see on which position double bond is given, you can fill up the double bond like this. Then fourth point, fill up remaining valencies of carbon atom with hydrogen atom. As you know, carbon valency 4 is there. So in some cases that the carbon valency 4 may not be fully satisfied. So in that case, just to see how many valencies are less. So remaining valencies you have to fill up with hydrogen atom. So these 4 rules are there. You can note on in your copy. And now you can open your book, page number 258. This page number 258. In the page number 258, question first is given. That unit test paper 8 is given, organic chemistry. Draw the branched structural formula of the following organic compounds whose IUPAC names are given. In a simple way you can take that IUPAC name is given, that you have to draw the structure. So one by one I am going to take. First one is given, PET1E. So the first question that is given, that PET 1E. So this is coming from the unit test paper. Unit test. It is coming from unit test. You don't think it is not a board question, it is not important. It is important. Such questions they are asking. If you go to the board paper, you will get it. So the first one is given, that PET 1E. PET 1E. Just to see what is the root word here. Root word is given PET. PET means 5 carbon. So make a chain of 5 carbon. This 5 carbon atom chain is here. Then numbering from any side you can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what is given? That E is given. E is used for the double bond. And this E will be there at the first position. So at the first carbon. Means will be first and second, it will be counted for the first carbon. The remaining valencies of carbon, you have to fill up with hydrogen atom. As you know, carbon valency 4 is there, but here just to see 1, 2 valencies are less. So 2 hydrogen atoms. Here 1, 2, 3, 1 is less. Here 2 are occupied, 2 are left. Here 2 are occupied, 2 are left. Here 1 occupied, 3 are left. So like this we can leave it, and if you want you can write it condensed form also, no problem. So CH2, double bond, CH, CH2, CH2, S3C. But I suggest you can leave like this, it is sufficient. Then the second one is given, second question is given, that but2ine. but2ine. So what is the root word here? But is given. So draw a chain of 4 carbon atoms. Then numbering from any side you can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the triple bond is used for I. It is given as the second carbon. So put the triple bond. Then remaining valencies are carbon that you fill up with hydrogen. So only one valence is occupied, 3 are left. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 occupied, 1, 2, 3, 4 occupied. Then here 1 is occupied, 3 are left. So this is the structure of the but2ine. Now the third example. Third question is asked that 3-methyl pentane. This one is given 3-methyl pentane. So what is the root word here? Pent is given. So draw a chain of 5 carbon atom. Draw a chain of 5 carbon atom. Then numbering from any side you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then on the third position, methyl group is there. Put the methyl group. Then nothing else is given here. And A is given, it means only carbon single bond is there. Now rest of the valencies you can fill up with hydrogen atoms. So carbon 1 valence is filled here, 3 are left. Here 2 are occupied, 2 are left. Here 4 occupied, so 3 occupied, only 1 is left. Here 2 occupied, 2 are left. Here 1 occupied, 3 are left. Now next one is that fourth one. So it is very easy, and in this one you can get the mark easily. But when they are asking the some functional group they are putting there. So in that way people are losing the mark because you are not able to make the correct functional group. So up to third it is over. Now the fourth one is 2-methyl pro-1ene. This fourth one is that 2-methyl word here. Root word is prop. Prop means 3 carbon atom. So make a chain of 3 carbon atoms. Then do the numbering 1, 2, 3. Then the second carbon atom methyl group is here. Put the methyl group. Then double bond is given on the first carbon. Then put the double bond. Now rest of the valences of carbon you fill up with hydrogen atom. So 2 are occupied, 2 are left. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, all 4 occupied. Here only 1 occupied, 3 are left. Now next one is fifth one, that contain 3 all. Contain 3 all. All means hydroxyl group. This is the secondary suffix for hydroxyl group OH group. So what is the root word here meant? So draw a chain of 5 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then do the numbering from any side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then at the third position, all is given. All means OH group. This is the secondary suffix of the alcohol OH group. So put the OH group. Now rest of the valences you can fill up with hydrogen atoms. So 1 is filled, 3 are left. Here 2 are occupied, 2 are left. Here 3 occupied, only 1 is left. Here 2 occupied, 2 are left. Here 1 occupied, 3 are left. Now next one is sixth one. This way you can do the practice. It will be easy for you. Then sixth one is given 1, 1, 2, 2. Tetrabromoethane. This is given tetrabromoethane. So here the root word is eth is given. So first of all, draw a chain of 2 carbon atoms. So draw a chain of 2 carbon atoms. Do the numbering. 1, 2. It is given tetrabromo. It means 4 bromine atoms are there. And this is coming, 1 bromine is coming on the first carbon. So write here bromine. Then another bromine is coming again on the first carbon. Then write here bromine. Then the third bromine is coming on the second carbon. Draw here bromine. Then it is coming second carbon. Now rest of the valences with hydrogen atom. So here 1 hydrogen, here 1. So this is the structure of 1, 1, 2, 2 tetrabromoethane. Now the seventh one is 2-methyl butane 2-ol. 2-methyl butane 2-ol. So what is the root word here? Root word is butane is given. Draw a chain of 4 carbon atoms. Draw a chain of 4 carbon atoms. Then you can do the numbering from any side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second position, methyl group is there. So put the CH3. Then on the second position, all is given means hydroxyl group. So here you can put the OH. Now rest of the valences with hydrogen atom. So carbon only 1 valence is satisfied here. So 3 are left. You can make here 3 hydrogen atoms. Here all 4 occupied. Here 2 occupied. Only 2 are left. Here 1 occupied. 3 are left. So like this you can draw the structure. Now 3 more are left. So next one is 8th one. Now the 8th one is given that 2,2-dimethyl propane 1-ol. 2,2-dimethyl propane No, not 2 all. Propane 1. So this one is given 2,2-dimethyl propane 1 all. So the root word is prop is given. It means 3 carbon atom chain. So make a chain of 3 carbon atoms. You can do the numbering from any side. 1, 2, 3. Then on the second carbon, methyl group is there. 2 times. 1 methyl group is here. 1 methyl group is here. Then on the first carbon, this OH group is there. First carbon OH. Now rest of the valences you can fill it with hydrogen. For this carbon 2 are filled. Only 2 are left. This carbon all 4 occupied. This carbon 1 is filled. 3 are left. So this is the structure of 2,2-dimethyl propane 1 all. Now the ninth one, 2,2-dimethyl propane. 2,2-dimethyl propane. So here the root word is prop is given. So draw a chain of 3 carbon atoms. Now do the numbering. 1, 2, 3. Now this 2-methyl dimethyl is given. So the second carbon atom, first methyl, then the second methyl again on the second carbon atom. Now rest of the valences with hydrogen atom. So 3 valences are left. Here 3 valences. Now last one. 10th one is given 2-bromo-4-chloropentane. Now the 10th one is given that 2-bromo-4-chloropentane. This is 2-bromo-4-chloropentane. So root word pent is given. So first of all, draw a chain of 5 carbon atoms. Then numbering from any side you can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then second position bromine is there. Right here bromine. Then fourth position chlorine is given. Right here chlorine. Now rest of the valences with hydrogen atom. So here 3 occupied, only 1 is left. 2 occupied, 2 are left. 3 occupied, 1 is left. Here. So already I have solved all the 10 problems, but for the practice you can do by yourself. Then you can check it whether your answers are matched or not. Then we are going to discuss the board paper. So in the board paper they have asked such type of the questions. So you will get the idea. So now please take the board questions that is given on that page number 253. So now we will take the board questions. Just to see page number 253. Board questions are very important. You can get the idea how they will answer the questions in your examination. So, board questions. First of all, it is given 2007. First question, what they have asked. Give the IUPAC name of the compound 1 to 5. So structures are given here. They are asking the IUPAC name. So the first one is given that CH3 C triple bond C. So the name of the organic compound you study that consists of four parts: prefix, root word, primary suffix, plus secondary suffix. So this prefix is used for substituent and secondary suffix is used for functional. Root word, number of carbon atom in chain, and primary suffix for the bonding. Single bond is there 8, double bond is there 8, triple bond is there 9. So in this compound, here substituents are not given, so prefix will not be there, and functional group is also not given, so the secondary suffix will not be there. So do the numbering here. This is the longest carbon chain, 1, 2, 3. So what is the root word for the 3 carbon atom? Pro. Then for the triple bond, ion is used, and this ion is written the first carbon atom. So pro 1. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Now the second one is second structure. Just to go through your book. This second structure is given. In this structure also, no substituent is given, but a functional group is there, so the secondary suffix will come. So in this situation, this is the longest carbon chain. You have to do the numbering from that end, which is near to the functional group. So just to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. From any side you do the numbering, this third position is coming. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So if the 5 carbon atom is there, what is the root word? Root word is pent. And only single bond is there, in. Then this OH group is given on third position, then third bond. One rule I have given you: after E, if AI, OUI letters are coming, when you add primary suffix and secondary suffix, then E is removed. So we will remove this one. So name of this compound will be pentane 3-ol. Now third one is given. This structure is given. This is the structure. So in this one, this is the substituent. This CH3 group is substituent. So first you do the numbering of the parent chain. So 1, 2, 3. So this group is called methyl group. So 2 methyl. Then root word 3 carbon atom. Pro. Single bond is there only. Propane. So 2 methyl propane. Now next one is fourth, and one more important thing, that we have to recognize the functional group. What chart is given, that you have to learn it, and if you are unable to recognize the correct functional group, then you cannot give the correct name. So the second, this fourth one, like that only, it is given. This structure is given to you. This structure is given. You have to write the name. So this is carboxylic group is there. OIC acid. So do the numbering 1, 2. No substituents are there. So for the 2 carbon atom, group word is H. Then for single bond, 8. Then 1 OIC acid. Then you can remove E, then this will become ethane 1-OIC acid. If the functional group is present on the first carbon, we can leave the number 1. So that will be ethanoic acid. Very important. many times asked in board paper. So this compound is called ethanolic acid. You are thinking that from our syllabus now alcohol and acids are removed. So I want to tell you nomenclature it is given. So this question is important and they can ask you. It is in syllabus only. Now fifth structure is given in your book, that this structure first of all select the longest carbon chain, this only, do the numbering 1, 2. So this chlorine is substituent, it is coming 2 times. So when same substituent is repeated, their position numbers are separated by a comma. So 1, 2, dichloro, 1, 2, dichloro, root word F is there, 18. So this compound is 1,2-dichloroethane. So now this nomenclature part is over. Now the second question, 2007, second question. So now we are going to take the second question of 2007. So just to see what is given, copy and complete the table related to the 3 homologous series. 3 homologous series are given, that CN, H2N, CN, H2N minus 2, CN, H2N plus 2. So what is asked to you? It is also important question. First of all, they are asking IUPAC name. IUPAC name. So you know that this third one is alkane. Third one is alkane. This one is alkene. And this one is alkyne. Now the second one, it is asked that characteristic bond type. So bond type they are asking here, carbon-carbon double bond, here carbon-carbon triple bond, here carbon-carbon single bond. Then IUPAC name of the first member. IUPAC name first member. So the first member of alkane homologous series is methane. Here methane will come, but since between the carbon and double and triple bonds are required, so in the first member will be ethene, not methane, because between one carbon and double bond is not possible. And this first member, this one is ethane. Then remember that type of reaction with chlorine, type of reaction with chlorine. So it is double bond is there. So this will give addition. This will also give addition, and that will give substitution. So this is also a very important question. Then third one, name the type of reaction by X compound C and Br can be prepared from ethane. So this substitution reaction will be there here only. In the third one, that substitution reaction. Substitution reaction. What is the reason? From the ethane we get the bromoethane. So this bromoethane is possible because this characteristic reaction is substitution only. So substitution. Now 2008. This 2007 is over. Now we are going to discuss 2008. That first question. The formation of 1,2-dibromoethane from ethene and bromine is an example of addition reaction. Then the second one, this is not in the syllabus. This second, third already removed. Then fourth. Distinguish between ethane and ethene by drawing their structure. So ethane is saturated C2H6 and ethene, that C2H4 is unsaturated. So by drawing their structure, so draw the structure of ethane, carbon single bond. The rest of the valencies with hydrogen atom. Here carbon double bond, the rest of the valencies with hydrogen. Now fifth one, what is asked? What type of reaction, addition or substitution shown by ethane and ethene? So ethane will give substitution. Ethane will give, because it is saturated, so substitution reaction. And ethene will give addition reaction. Now this fifth one is over. Now sixth one. What is asked here? Write the equation for complete combustion of ethane. You have to write the combustion of ethane. So ethane is C2H6. Burn it, complete combustion. It will form carbon dioxide and water vapor. So just to see the carbon, 2 atoms are there, 2 molecules of carbon dioxide, hydrogen 6 are there, half of the 6, 3. Now oxygen atom 2 2s are 4, 3, 7. So you can write here 7 by 2. Then you can multiply whole equation by 2. Then 2 C2H6 plus 7 O2. This will give 4 CO2 and 6 S2. This way you have to write. How you are getting it is not the matter, but this way you have to write. Don't write in that fraction way, otherwise you will not pick the number. In whole number we have to write whenever we write a chemical equation. And now the seventh one. Name the alcohol and dehydrate acid when ethane is oxidized. So this ethane will give ethanol, then ethanoic acid. So in your book that slow oxidation was given. So that for this purpose only they have given. Means what corresponding product you are getting. So ethane is oxidized, you will get ethanol. Ethanol is oxidized, you will get ethanol, aldehyde, and then ethanoic acid. This one is C2H6. This one is C2H5OH. This one is CH3CHO, and this one is CH3COO. Now this 7, now 8 and 9, both are not in syllabus. Now 10. By what type of reaction could a compound contains carbon, hydrogen and chlorine be obtained from ethyne? So here addition reaction. Now 11th one. State the term for the reaction in which hydrogen of an alkane is replaced by chlorine. So the substitution is substitution reaction. Already I told you that this is very important, that characteristic reaction. And now you have seen that they have asked many times. So this 2008 is over. Now we have to take the 2009. That first question, which of the following statement is wrong about alkane? This B is wrong, they can undergo addition as well as substitution, it is wrong. So B, alkane will give only substitution reaction, not both. Then second one, this is not in syllabus. Now third one, find out the odd one from each cases. So in the first one, that C3H8, C2H6, CH4, all are alkane, but this odd one is C5H10. So because it is alkene, that's why it is different from the other members. Then formic acid, nitric acid, acetic acid and propanoic acid, here the difference will be there, nitric acid, because all are organic acid, but this one is inorganic. So that's why it is different. Then fourth one, identify reddish brown liquid S is dissolved in water when ethyne is passed through it, turns colorless. So this reddish brown liquid will be there, bromine will be. Bromine. Then fifth one, Phillips given with the correct word from the bracket. So just to mark in your book. Generally ionic compounds exist in solid state. Melting and boiling points of covalent compounds are generally low. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. For alkynes, the general formula is CnH2n minus 2. Then question number 6, give the chemical equation, laboratory preparation of methane, not in syllabus. Second one is given the reaction of 1 mole of ethene and 1 mole of chlorine is in syllabus. Then third is also not in syllabus. So second one just to see, 6. Second one, that the reaction of 1 mole of ethene with 1 mole of chlorine. So this one is ethene. It reacts with chlorine with CCl4 in the presence of CCl4. This bond is broken and the chlorine atoms will be added on both the carbon atoms. So you will get like this 1, 2 dichloroethane. Mark will be given on the reaction, okay? The reaction must be correct. Name is not the matter. Then this 6th one is over. Now 7th one, not in the syllabus. Now this is not in the syllabus. Now 8th one. Define isomerism. Definition you can give. Give the IUPAC name of isomers of C4H10 with a branch chain. So this C4H10 branch chain isomer I told you is very important. This branch chain isomer, this one is isobutane. They are asking the IUPAC name. So IUPAC name you can write 1, 2, 3. So 2-methyl propane. This question is also very important many times asked in board paper. Now 2010, 2009 is over. Now 2010 board questions. So next one is 2010 board questions. First one. Select the correct answer. The organic compound which give a red precipitate with ammonical cuprous chloride and undergoes addition. You know that only ethyl is there. So your correct option is C. That ethyl. Now the second question. 2010. This select the correct answer. The organic compound which when mixed with ethyl alcohol make spurious. This methanol is there. Alcohol they have already removed, but this answer is methanol here. If you want to mark is methanol, because methanol mixing it makes this spurious alcohol that unfit for the drinking. So that is the problem. Now the second question. Second, draw the structural formula of ethanoic acid and bute-2-ine. Just I have given the method, so that you have to follow. Ethanoic acid and bute-2-ine. First one is ethanoic acid, and the second one is bute-2-ine. So such questions. So just to see the root word is F. Draw a chain of 2 carbon atom numbering. Then first carbon carboxylic group is there. So first carbon converted carboxylic group. Now rest of the valence with hydrogen atom. So one is filled here. 3 are made. Then bute-2-ine root word bute is given. Draw a chain of 4 carbon atom. Numbering you can do from any side. And on the second carbon that ine is there. Put the ine. Rest of the valence with hydrogen atom. So this one is bute-2-ine. Now this question number 2 is over. Now 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. 2010. Question number 3. 2010. So what will ask you? Compound X is bubbled through the bromine, dissolved in CCl4, and the product form is CH2Br plus CH2Br. Draw the structure formula of X and state the type of reaction. So this X will be the ethene and type of reaction addition reaction. So this ethene is there. This one is ethene. And type of reaction addition reaction. Type of reaction addition reaction. Now this fourth one is in that one first part. Now the second one. State your observation for the above reaction. This brown color of the bromine discharge. Brown color of bromine discharge. Discharge means changes to colors. Now this third one is name the compound formed when steam, that is not in the syllabus. Then what is the procedure for converting product, that is also not in the syllabus. So third and fourth you can leave it. So this 2010 is over. Now 2011. So now I am going to stop here at the 2010 and the rest of the questions we'll discuss in the next video.